Stopping the constant chatter and stories in your mind can be challenging, but there are several techniques you can try to help quiet your thoughts and achieve a more peaceful state of mind. Here are some strategies. Mindfulness meditation. Mindfulness meditation involves observing your thoughts without judgment and bringing your attention back to the present moment. This practice can help you detach from the constant stream of thoughts and create a space between you and your thinking patterns. Focused breathing. Paying attention to your breath can anchor you in the present moment and divert your attention away from your thoughts. Focus on your breath as you inhale and exhale, and gently bring your mind back to your breath whenever it starts to wander. Journaling. Write down your thoughts and stories as they arise. This can help you externalize your thoughts and gain clarity. It might also help you identify patterns in your thinking and work through any underlying issues. Visualization. Imagine your thoughts as clouds passing by in the sky. Allow them to come and go without holding on to them. This can help you create a sense of detachment from your thoughts. Labeling. When a thought arises, label it as thinking and then let it go. This practice can help you distance yourself from your thoughts and prevent them from taking over your awareness. Engage in activities. Engaging in activities that require your full attention, such as exercising, playing a musical instrument, or doing artwork, can divert your mind from its incessant chatter. Limit stimuli. Reduce exposure to constant external stimuli like social media, news, and other sources of information that can fuel your mind's chatter. Practice gratitude. Focusing on what you're grateful for can shift your attention away from negative or excessive thoughts and bring you into a more positive frame of mind. Mindful breathing. Practice deep, slow breathing with full awareness. Inhale deeply, hold for a few seconds, and then exhale slowly. This can help calm your nervous system and quiet your mind. Guided relaxation. Listen to guided relaxation or meditation recordings that lead you through exercises aimed at calming your mind and reducing mental chatter.